black's goal here is to save these 5 stones. And the most obvious weakness in white's shape is right here. Black has potentially this attachment that can probably cut white off, right? If white is not careful and plays at number 2, then black can cut at number 3, Atari. If white connects, now black can succeed. White cannot capture 1 and 5 because this way, number 6 will be cut off, and these 6 white stones only have 3 liberties left, so white will fail very badly this way. But in this type of situation, white has a better move, and that is right here, this clamping move. If black connects, then white can connect with number 4, and there's nothing left for black to play, right? There's no connect and die because number 8 is Atari. This way, black will still be dead. There's just barely any eye space here. So does that mean number 1 is wrong? Not really, right? So this is a really neat pattern here that might come up in other problems, might come in real games as well, that you just have to know what to do here if you're black. You just cannot connect here and allow your opponent to play at number 4. There's a better move. It's actually right here. It's a very neat move that kind of keeps white's liberties tight. And now white must play here, right? Otherwise, if you play here, then this is a connect and die for white. So white must play here. Now black can throw in here. It's a really neat move. If black cuts here, now this doesn't work. Again, black will be captured. But throwing in here is a great sacrifice move. If white connects, now black can live this way. With number 7, this is a real eye. There'll be another real eye here, at least. So black succeeds. If white captures, now this is exactly the pattern that we like to see. 1 and 3 are on the right spots, right? Now black can play this Atari, and this is a connect and die. So the best white can do now is to capture these 2 stones and allow black to capture at number 9. So these 5 stones are saved. So that is why it's probably better for white to save these 3 stones and allow black to capture at number 7. So this is the correct sequence. Super neat sequence, I'd say. And especially number 3 and 5, really, really key and really useful moves to remember. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.